In this video, I will show you how to get free items in Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Roblox. So you want to come across to Roblox and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, if you come up to the top left-hand corner, you're going to want to click onto Marketplace. From here, what you're going to want to do is come to this menu on the left-hand side and search for the type of items that you want to look for free items for. So for example, if we click onto clothing, and I'm just going to go ahead and click onto all clothing. Now to go ahead and find free items, what you want to do on this menu, you want to come down a bit to the bottom, and in the sort section down here, you want to change this from price low to high. So you want to click this option here. And what it's going to do is bring up some free items. Now you can see a lot of these are actually limited, which means they're not completely free. But what we can do is also a section in this menu called creator. And if we go ahead and select username just here, and in the username box, we just want to go ahead and type Roblox and then click go. So after doing this, you're going to see all the current free items on Roblox. As you can see, they're not limited, so we can get any of these completely free. So for example, if we wanted to get this blue plaid shirt, we would just click onto it to be taken to the item page. As you can see, the price says free, so we can click onto the green buy button, and you can see it's come up with a message saying, would you like to buy the asset from Roblox for free? All you want to do is click on to get now. And as you can see, it says purchase complete. You have successfully bought the blue plaid shirt asset from Roblox for free. So that is how to go ahead and get free items in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.